Good morning. My name is Danny. I was diagnosed with MS in 2012. By 2017, I was walking with an AFO. I needed to walk with an AFO because of foot drop. Shortly after 2017, in addition to the foot drop, I developed weak hip flexors, which made lifting my left leg extremely difficult. It caused me to stumble a lot, to trip quite a bit. Going up and down stairs was tedious at best. As time progressed, not only did the foot drop get worse, but walking became like walking in water or having concrete blocks attached to your legs. Anybody with MS understands that. I found Tripleflex online. I had to be my own advocate. Tripleflex has saved my life. I have a list here of things that I can now do, and I'm just going to read through the list and let you know what it is. So with Tripleflex, I walk faster. I turn better when I have to turn left or right. Because Tripleflex lifts my leg, I turn more naturally. I don't have to stop and pivot on my right foot. I walk farther. I haven't walked. In the last 8 years, I have not walked. I go to the gym every day, but I've had to use the elliptical machine to get exercise. Since I've started using the Tripleflex, I walk on the treadmill. I started walking a half mile on the treadmill. In addition to walking a half mile around my neighborhood, I moved to the current house I live in. Our mailbox is 300-400 feet away from the house. I never went and got the mail. It was just too far. I was too tired to walk. My leg would drag even with the AFO. So my wife always got the mail. As soon as I put the Tripleflex on, I said to my wife, I'm going to go walk to the mailbox. And I found it so easy that when I got back, I said, I want to go for a walk around the block. And I immediately did a half mile walk around the block. That never would have happened prior to the Tripleflex with just my AFO. Never would have happened. Within a couple hundred feet, I would be fatigued to the point where I would either have to stop or my leg is just severely dragging on the ground and I'm struggling. But with a Tripleflex, a half mile. And now the last couple of weeks, I am regularly on the treadmill at the gym up to 0.8 of a mile at 1.7 miles per hour. People that don't have a disability doesn't mean a whole lot, but to those of us that have difficulty walking, that means a lot, right? Just trying to get on a treadmill, which I think is harder than walking on the ground, because on the treadmill, the ground is moving underneath you and you have to keep pace with it. Otherwise you fall, right out the back. But with Tripleflex, my leg just lifts. My left leg just comes up. My toe comes up. I basically had to relearn how to walk normal again, because for the last 8 years, my right side has been compensating so much. I realized that once I started using the Tripleflex, that as I walked, I had to unlearn. My right foot wanted to roll to the right as it came down to balance, to keep me balanced. So when I first started using the Tripleflex, I became very cognizant of, why is my right foot hitting the ground and rolling to the right? And it's taking me a while to unlearn that. And the more I unlearn that, the more I love Tripleflex, because I still walk with a limp, but my leg does not swing out to the left anymore. I don't hike my hip up to get my left foot forward. I just walk. I can look left and right when I'm walking. Anybody with MS or any kind of disability where you deal with this kind of issue with lower extremity weakness, you're constantly scanning the ground in front of you. And I would, if my wife and I were out at the store or somewhere shopping and we were walking together, I couldn't hold her hand because I needed both my hands for balance. And I couldn't talk because I'm constantly scanning the ground, making sure that the slightest little elevation change doesn't trip me up. With Tripleflex, I walk, my head is up, I can look to the left, I can look to the right. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. I'm looking at my notes here, I apologize. Little things like in the garage where I have to maybe step over a garden hose or I need to step over an extension cord. When I had just my AFO, that was a feat of exhaustion. I would always have to step over with my right foot and then kind of carry my left foot over, even if it was just a small extension cord or a garden hose. It was huge for me to get over that. But now with Tripleflex, lifting my left leg up an inch or 2 or 3 inches off the ground is easy. It just happens. And again, people that don't deal with a disability, that's not a big deal to them. But to those of us that can't lift our leg, left leg or right leg, the Tripleflex just does it for you. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm just going over my list to make sure I'm not forgetting anything. I use a balance ball, a Bosu ball at the gym now. Never would have done that prior to Tripleflex, but I not only am using a Bosu ball and balancing on it, I am able to hold a weight, a 10-pound weight in my hand and hold it out to my side and then move it over to my right arm and hold it over to my right side and then hold it in front of me, all while balancing on the Bosu ball, which is a heck of a leg workout. I'm using muscles that have been there for all the time, obviously, but with MS, that signal is not activating the muscle. And maybe it is now at some low level. I don't know. I'm a big believer that the brain has the ability to reconnect pathways. I know it won't be 100%, but again, prior to Tripleflex, if someone said, "Hey, Danny, why don't you try balancing on that Bosu ball?" I'd be like, no, not going to happen. But with Tripleflex, the confidence is there, and the ability is there. It stabilizes my leg. My knee does not lock backwards. I have control of my knee again. It doesn't pop forward and pop back. It's just amazing. Trying to think, I want to make sure, I can stand longer. Again, prior to Tripleflex, I would maybe walk whatever distance I had to, whether it be for work or shopping or doing anything that needed to be done. And after a short distance, say literally a couple 100 feet, I would be looking to sit down because my legs are just so fatigued. But with Tripleflex, I found that even after walking a half mile, and this is no lie, after a half mile, I was tired, I was fatigued, but I was still able to stand and carry on a 15-minute conversation with my neighbor. That never would have happened. I would have been looking for somewhere to either lean against or sit against. But again, with Tripleflex, it's amazing. That's all I can say. It's amazing. Just want to make sure I'm not forgetting anything. Walk faster, better, talk about the right now. Left feels like I carry things backwards. Records. I think that's it. I'd like to say thank you to Philip and Axio Bionics, to the insurance companies. Why you are not endorsing and paying for this device is mind-boggling. This is not even a game changer for those of us that suffer from MS. It's a life changer. It gives me back my life. It gives me back my freedom. You really need to cover this device. It is amazing. Absolutely amazing. With that, again, Philip and Axio Bionics, I'd like to thank you very much for what you've done. This is amazing. If I can help out with anything else, please reach out to me. Have a good day.